Have you ever wondered if there's another Earth out there? In the grand scheme of the universe, our home planet is but a tiny dot. Yet it's a dot teeming with life, a bustling blue marble suspended in a sunbeam. And while we may feel small and insignificant in the face of the cosmos, it's our unquenchable curiosity and relentless spirit of exploration that make us unique. For as long as we've looked up at the stars, we've wondered, are we alone? This question has fueled our exploration of space, our search for other worlds, other possibilities. This quest has led us to the discovery of exoplanets, celestial bodies that orbit stars outside our solar system. These enigmatic worlds, scattered across the vast expanse of space, hold the potential to answer our age-old question. Our universe is a vast, infinite expanse, filled with billions upon billions of galaxies, each home to countless stars. Around these stars, it's estimated that there could be as many as 1 trillion planets. Yes, you heard that right, 1 trillion planets. And among them, there's a chance that there could be other Earth-like planets, worlds that could potentially harbor life. Our understanding of these distant worlds has grown exponentially in recent years, thanks to advancements in technology and space exploration. We've discovered thousands of these exoplanets, each unique in its own way. Some are gas giants, larger than Jupiter, while others are rocky worlds, not too dissimilar from our own Earth. One such intriguing discovery is that of Kepler 452b. Known as Earth's bigger, older cousin, this exoplanet has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Orbiting a star similar to our Sun, in a habitable zone where conditions could potentially be just right for life, Kepler 452b presents an exciting possibility. Our search for life beyond our home planet led us to an intriguing discovery, Kepler 452b. In the year 2015, the Kepler Space Telescope made a groundbreaking discovery. This discovery would etch a new chapter in our quest for understanding the universe and our place in it. The Kepler Space Telescope, a marvel of modern astronomy, was on a mission like no other to find planets similar to our own Earth. Named after the renowned 17th century astronomer Johannes Kepler, the telescope was launched by NASA with high hopes and even higher stakes. Its mission was to scan the cosmos, observing over 150,000 stars in our galaxy, hunting for signs of planets orbiting these distant suns. The primary goal was to find planets in the habitable zone, a region where conditions might be just right for life as we know it to exist. Then, in the year 2015, the Kepler Space Telescope hit the jackpot. It discovered a planet named Kepler 452b, located in the constellation of Cygnus, the Swan. This exoplanet was found to be orbiting a star similar to our Sun, in an orbit that takes 385 days, remarkably close to our own Earth's yearly journey around the Sun. But what truly set Kepler 452b apart and earned it the moniker of Earth 2.0 inches was its size and position in the habitable zone. It's roughly 60% larger than Earth, potentially rocky, and receives about the same amount of sunlight as we do. These characteristics sparked excitement among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Could Kepler 452b be the next Earth? Could it support life? Or better yet, could it already be teeming with life, waiting for us to make contact? The discovery of Kepler 452b was not just a triumph for the Kepler Space Telescope and its mission, but it also represented a leap forward in our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Kepler 452b, an exoplanet that has sparked a multitude of questions about the possibility of life beyond Earth. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we inch closer to answering these questions, and perhaps one day, we might not be the only life looking up at the stars. What makes Kepler 452b stand out among the plethora of exoplanets discovered? Let's dive into the intriguing world of Kepler 452b, an exoplanet that has been turning heads in the astronomical community. Its charm lies in its uncanny resemblance to our very own planet Earth, earning it the nickname Earth's bigger cousin. The first characteristic that sets Kepler 452b apart is its size. It's about 60% larger in diameter than Earth. This might make you think of it as a super-Earth, but it's important to note that we have no direct way of measuring its mass. Therefore, It could be a rocky planet like ours, or it could be a mini Neptune with a thick, gaseous atmosphere. The orbit of Kepler 452b is another fascinating aspect. It completes an orbit around its star, Kepler 452, in 385 days, just 20 days longer than our Earth year. This star is similar to our Sun, but it's 6 billion years old, 1.5 billion years older than our Sun. Kepler 452b orbits it at a distance very similar to the distance between Earth and the Sun. This places it right within the habitable zone, or the Goldilocks zone, where the conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of the planet. And that's what makes Kepler 452b such a tantalizing subject for speculation. The potential for liquid water, along with the right size and the right orbit, could mean that this exoplanet might just be able to support life as we know it. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. There's much we still don't know about this intriguing exoplanet, and scientists are working tirelessly to unravel its mysteries. Kepler 452b, a larger cousin of Earth, but does it hold the potential for life? Well, stay tuned as we delve deeper into its potential for habitability in the next scene. Could Kepler 452b be a future home for humanity, or host life as we know it? The prospect is tantalizing, isn't it? A planet far from our solar system, potentially capable of supporting life as we know it. But what factors contribute to a planet's habitability? And how does Kepler 452b measure up? Firstly, let's talk about the Goldilocks zone, the habitable zone around a star where conditions could be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Kepler 452b is located within the habitable zone of its star, which is similar to our Sun. This implies that it could potentially have the right conditions for liquid water, a fundamental requirement for life as we know it. Secondly, size and composition. Kepler 452b is roughly 5 times the mass of Earth and has a diameter only 60% larger. This suggests that it could be a rocky planet like Earth rather than a gas giant like Jupiter. However, it's important to note that we don't have direct evidence of Kepler 452b's composition yet. Now, let's talk about the atmosphere. An atmosphere is crucial to support life as it provides protection from solar radiation, helps regulate temperature, and can potentially contain the gases necessary for life. Unfortunately, we don't know much about Kepler 452b's atmosphere yet, and this is a key factor that scientists are eager to learn more about. Yet it's not all about the physical attributes. A planet's habitability also depends on its star's longevity. Kepler 452b star is older and brighter than our Sun, which could affect the planet's climate and potential for life. Despite these promising indicators, there's a spectrum of scientific opinion on Kepler 452b's potential habitability. Some scientists are optimistic, while others caution that we need more data to draw firm conclusions. The truth is, we're still in the early stages of understanding this intriguing exoplanet, and much of our knowledge is based on inference and educated guesses. While there is much we still don't know about this intriguing exoplanet, the quest for knowledge continues. Our understanding of the universe is ever evolving, and so is our knowledge about Kepler 452b. Just as the universe never stops surprising us, neither does this intriguing exoplanet situated a whopping 1400 light-years away. Recently, scientists have made some fascinating discoveries about Kepler 452b. One of these findings is that the exoplanet's year, the time it takes to orbit its star, is remarkably similar to our own at 385 Earth days. This has led to the nickname Earth's cousin, a testament to the remarkable similarities it shares with our own world. Moreover, it's been discovered that Kepler 452b is likely to have a rocky composition, much like Earth. This suggests that the terrain of Kepler 452b could be somewhat familiar to us, despite its location in a galaxy far, far away. However, it is also 5 times the size of Earth, which could mean stronger gravitational forces, a factor that could complicate potential human habitation. As for the future, the exploration of Kepler 452b is only just beginning. Scientists plan to use the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of modern technology, to study this exoplanet in greater detail. This powerful telescope will allow researchers to analyze the atmosphere of Kepler 452b, helping us to understand whether it could support life as we know it. In addition, the development of advanced propulsion technologies could one day enable us to send a probe to Kepler 452b. While this possibility remains in the realm of science fiction for now, the rapid pace of technological advancement means we can't rule it out for the future. As we continue to gaze into the cosmos, who knows what other secrets Kepler 452b and the universe might reveal. The journey of discovery is far from over. Every new finding brings us one step closer to understanding our place in this vast, mysterious universe. The story of Kepler 452b is still being written, and we are the fortunate ones who get to pen its next chapters.